going on, everybody? This is Mark with Goshan Mobile Detailing. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 techniques that have helped me to not only get more clients, but have helped me to grow my car detailing business. We're going to go through them one by one. And as we're watching the video, if you have any questions or would like to share your own suggestions on how to get more clients, please share them in the comment box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. All right, let's go into the suggestions one by one, starting with the first one.
Alright my friends, so the first thing I recommend is for you to get air fresheners with your company's logo and information on it. As you could see, this has my website and my phone number. On top of that, it's double-sided. You can make your own or you can order these off Alibaba. What my wife and I did is we made our own. It cost us about $50 to make 70 of these. And now we use these as thank you gifts. Every time we finish a vehicle, we take one out of the bag and we hang it right on the mirror. Why is this so great? Well, every time the client gets in their vehicle, they're going to see our logo. They're going to be reminded of us. They're going to remember the great quality of service that we performed for them. Also, anytime they pick up somebody, a friend, a family member, it's more likely that they're going to ask about it and they're going to talk about it. And those are all potential clients that you could be receiving, all thanks to an air freshener. My second recommendation would be to invest in an A-frame where you're able to put all your information on it. I bought this about 2 years ago for $200 and it's already paid off. As you could see, it has my company's information on it, a QR code, my website, a phone number, and I could see all the attention that it attracts. When people are driving or walking by, I could see them taking out their phones to take a picture of it. So definitely pick up an A-frame. It will help you get more clients. Now, my third recommendation would be to wrap your vehicle, whether you have a van, a car, or a truck. Now, it's not cheap. I'm not saying get this right away. Definitely save money, and if your circumstances allow you to, invest in a wrap. This is only half a wrap, so I paid half price. It came out to $1,500. But now everywhere I go, whether I'm at the client's house, on local streets, or on the highway, I'm advertising my company. As you can see, it has my logo, my phone number, the services I offer, even a QR code. So if you're able to invest in something like this, it's definitely going to help you get a lot more clients and bring your business to the next level. And there we go, guys. Those are 3 techniques that have really helped me to not only get clients, but to grow my business. Obviously, when I started my company, I didn't get all these things all at once because they cost money. So really, it depends on your circumstances, on your budget. Remember, you don't need these to start your car detailing company. You need them to help grow your car detailing company. So little by little, remember, Rome wasn't built in one day. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you have any questions or would like to share your own suggestions, please share it all in the comment box. And this way we could continue to learn and grow together. Take care, guys.